If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with versatile, space-saving, and high-performance cookware, this Carote 11-piece non-stick cookware set with removable handles might be just what you need. Imagine a cookware set that not only helps you cook with ease, but also saves precious space in your kitchen cupboards, allows for effortless cleanup, and can transition seamlessly between the stove, oven, and even the fridge. That's exactly what Carote's detachable handle cookware set offers. Carote 11-piece non-stick cookware set overview. The Carote 11-piece cookware set is designed to meet the demands of modern cooking while maximizing convenience and space. This set includes a variety of essential kitchen items: 2 fry pans, 2 saucepans, a sauté pan, and removable handles and lids, making it one of the most versatile cookware sets available. The real beauty of this set lies in its detachable handles, which make it uniquely space-efficient and highly functional. This cookware set has been designed to cater to a wide range of cooking needs, from frying and sautéing to boiling and simmering. Its non-stick surface is enhanced with a granite coating, which provides a smooth, easy-to-clean surface that is just as durable as it is practical. Key features and benefits. 1. Removable handles for space efficiency. One of the standout features of the Carote cookware set is its detachable handles. These handles can be easily removed, saving up to 70% more storage space. This is especially ideal for those living in tight spaces, such as apartments, RVs, or small kitchens. Not only does it optimize cupboard space, but it also makes it easier to stack the pots and pans neatly, helping to keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. 2. Non-stick granite coating for easy cleanup. The cookware set is coated with a granite non-stick surface, which is a game-changer when it comes to cleaning. Cooking with little to no oil means you can create healthier meals, and the non-stick surface ensures that food doesn't stick, reducing cleanup time. Whether you're preparing eggs, pancakes, or a delicious stir-fry, the non-stick coating provides effortless food release. With just a quick rinse, your pots and pans will be spotless. Versatile cooking performance. Whether you prefer to cook on an induction stovetop, gas stove, or in the oven, the Carote cookware set can handle it all. The induction-compatible base ensures even heat distribution across all cooking surfaces, while the high heat resistance allows for safe oven use. The detachable handles make transitioning from stovetop to oven easy and hassle-free. You can even move your cookware from the stove to the grill, fridge, or onto the dinner table with a simple click. 4. Oven-safe and grill-friendly. The Carote cookware set is designed to withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, making it oven-safe. Whether you're baking a casserole or finishing off a steak in the oven, this cookware set has you covered. Additionally, because the handles are removable, you can place the entire cookware into the oven without worrying about the handles getting too hot or in the way. 5. Space-saving storage lids. With the Carote cookware set, you won't have to deal with mismatched lids and clutter. The silicone lids come in 2 sizes, 10-inch and 8-inch, and the set also includes storage lids for the pans. This means that you can store your leftovers without the need for extra containers, keeping your fridge organized and free of unnecessary clutter. It's a perfect solution for those who are looking for a more streamlined cooking and storage process. Number 6. Worry-free service and quality control. Carote takes quality seriously. Every piece of cookware is subjected to a multi-inspection process to ensure it meets the highest standards. In the rare case that you receive a defective product due to shipping, Carote's customer service team is ready to assist with solutions, including replacements or refunds. Their dedication to customer satisfaction ensures a worry-free purchase experience. Conclusion. This Carote 11-piece non-stick cookware set is a must-have for anyone looking to maximize their kitchen efficiency, minimize clutter, and create delicious, healthy meals with ease. The detachable handles are a unique and practical feature, offering exceptional space-saving benefits and making it an excellent choice for compact living spaces like apartments, RVs, and tiny homes. With its granite non-stick coating, induction compatibility, and oven-safe design, this set is perfect for cooking enthusiasts who need cookware that's both versatile and durable. The easy cleanup and multitasking features make it an even more attractive option for busy families and home chefs. If you enjoyed this review, Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.